Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster ravioli sauce. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality components that truly elevate the flavor. Then, I'll walk you through each step of the cooking process, ensuring your sauce is perfectly balanced and incredibly delicious. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this luxurious dish, made right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think to achieve a gourmet taste. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, finely minced shallots, and about 1/2 cup of a good dry white wine. For that luxurious creaminess, have 1 cup of heavy cream on hand. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh parsley for garnish. These components will build a fantastic flavor base. Now let's start cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely minced shallots and sauté them gently until they're soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine to deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits. Let the wine reduce by about 1/3, concentrating its flavor. For the grand finale, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens slightly to your desired consistency. Stir in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, allowing it to melt smoothly into the sauce. Taste and adjust your seasonings with salt and pepper. Finally, toss your perfectly cooked lobster ravioli directly into this rich, creamy sauce and garnish with fresh parsley. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.